Hey there, my name is Michael and today I want to share an incredible discovery for our eye health, VIta Plus. If you, like me, spend hours in front of screens or want to maintain sharp and healthy vision, this supplement could be the perfect solution. Let's dive into the benefits and how this revolutionary product works. VIta Plus is a dietary supplement formulated with 9 high-quality ingredients, carefully selected to provide comprehensive support for eye health. One of its key components is Maqui Bright, an extract from maqui berries rich in anthocyanins and delphinidin. This helps protect the tear glands from oxidative stress and restores normal tear production, relieving symptoms of dry eye syndrome. Another standout ingredient is Lutealex, extracted from marigold flowers, which contains lutein and zeaxanthin, natural compounds found in the eyes that filter up to 90% of blue light emitted by digital screens. This helps reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Hey Anna, what else can you tell us about the VIta Plus?
Michael, this product is incredible. The formula also includes bilberry extract, a powerful source of anthocyanins that support retinal function and stabilize collagen levels in the eyes. Clinical studies have shown that bilberry supplementation improves symptoms of eye fatigue, such as eye pain, tiredness, and discomfort caused by prolonged screen use. Additionally, ginkgo biloba leaf extract promotes blood circulation, ensuring essential nutrients reach the eyes while protecting eye tissues from oxidative stress. By incorporating VIta Plus into your daily routine, you'll be supplying your body with antioxidants and essential nutrients that help reduce inflammation, irritation, and dry eye symptoms, while also improving visual sharpness and strengthening the retina. Back to you now, Michael.
Thanks, Anna. For your safety and effectiveness, it's crucial to purchase VIta Plus only through the official website. This guarantees you'll receive an authentic, high-quality product, avoiding risks associated with counterfeit or unreliable sources. Plus, buying from the official website gives you exclusive promotions, such as up to 3 free bottles with certain purchases. In summary, VIta Plus is a complete solution for anyone looking to support eye health naturally and effectively. With a unique blend of premium ingredients, this supplement protects against harmful blue light, relieves dry eye symptoms, improves circulation, and helps maintain healthy vision. Don't miss out on VIta Plus and experience the difference it can make in your daily life. And remember, always purchase from the official website to ensure all the benefits and security you deserve. Your eyes will thank you. Click the link on the description before the prices goes up.